Living with diabetes requires making thoughtful dietary choices, particularly when it comes to protein. Not all meats are created equal, and selecting the right ones can significantly impact blood sugar levels, heart health, and overall well-being. This discussion explores the top 5 meats for diabetics, backed by scientific evidence and nutritional data, to help manage blood sugar levels effectively while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Before we continue, hit the red subscribe button and turn on notifications for more science-backed tips and insights. 1. Skinless chicken breast. Skinless chicken breast is an excellent protein source for diabetics due to its low fat content and high-quality protein. Unlike darker cuts of chicken, skinless breast meat is lean, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Studies show that lean protein sources like chicken breast can aid in maintaining stable glucose levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications, which are common in diabetes. Chicken breast is also rich in essential nutrients such as B vitamins, particularly B6, which supports brain health and energy metabolism, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that aids in reducing inflammation and supporting immune function. The high protein content in chicken breast not only helps with muscle repair and maintenance, but also contributes to longer satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating, a critical factor in managing both weight and blood sugar levels. To maximize its benefits, the method of preparation is key. Grilling, baking, or roasting chicken breast preserves its lean quality while retaining flavor and nutrients. Avoiding breading and frying is crucial, as these cooking methods add unnecessary fat and carbohydrates, which can negatively impact blood sugar control. Adding diabetic-friendly marinades such as lemon juice, garlic, or a mix of herbs and spices enhances taste without adding hidden sugars or unhealthy fats. Skinless chicken breast pairs well with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or asparagus, which are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, promoting more stable blood sugar levels. A balanced meal might include grilled chicken breast served alongside roasted Brussels sprouts and a side of quinoa for a nutrient-packed, diabetes-friendly plate. For added variety, shredded chicken breast can be used in soups, salads, or stir-fries, making it a versatile option for meal planning. Incorporating skinless chicken breast into your diet several times a week can contribute to better glycemic control and overall health. It's a practical, adaptable, and nutritious choice for individuals managing diabetes. Second, salmon. Fatty fish like salmon, anchovies, and sardines are among the best protein options for diabetics. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, salmon offers protective effects against type 2 diabetes and its complications. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower the risk of heart disease, a significant concern for those with diabetes. A study published in Diabetes Care found that regular consumption of omega-3 rich fish can improve lipid profiles by lowering triglycerides and increasing HDL, good cholesterol. This dual action supports better glycemic control and cardiovascular health, two critical areas for diabetes management. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s may help mitigate the chronic low-grade inflammation often associated with insulin resistance. Salmon's low glycemic impact ensures a steady energy supply without causing blood sugar spikes. Beyond omega-3s, salmon is also a rich source of vitamin D, which plays a role in bone health, immune function, and potentially improved insulin regulation. It is also high in selenium and B vitamins, which aid metabolic health and energy production. Preparing salmon by grilling, baking, or steaming with heart-healthy fats like olive oil not only enhances its flavor but also preserves its nutritional integrity. Herbs and spices such as dill, rosemary, and lemon zest can complement salmon's natural taste without adding unnecessary calories or sodium. Pairing salmon with fiber-rich vegetables like kale, cauliflower, or roasted Brussels sprouts creates a nutrient-dense, balanced meal. Adding a side of avocado or a drizzle of tahini provides healthy fats that further support blood sugar regulation and satiety. For those seeking variety, salmon can be enjoyed in numerous forms: grilled fillets, salmon patties, or as part of a hearty salad. Smoked salmon, in moderation, can be paired with whole grain crackers and low-fat cream cheese for a diabetes-friendly snack. Including fatty fish like salmon in your diet 2 to 3 times per week can help improve overall health outcomes, making it a cornerstone of a diabetes-friendly eating plan. 3. Pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is another diabetes-friendly choice due to its leanness and low saturated fat content. Unlike processed pork products like bacon, which are high in unhealthy fats and sodium, pork tenderloin provides high-quality protein without adversely affecting blood sugar levels. This lean cut of pork is particularly rich in thiamine, vitamin B1, which is essential for carbohydrate metabolism and energy production. It also contains zinc, which supports immune health and wound healing, important considerations for individuals with diabetes. Additionally, its high protein content promotes satiety and helps stabilize blood sugar by slowing the digestion of carbohydrates. The versatility of pork tenderloin makes it easy to include in a balanced diabetic diet. Try marinating it with spices and herbs like rosemary, garlic, or paprika for added flavor without the need for sugary sauces. Grilling, roasting, or slow cooking enhances its tenderness while preserving its nutritional profile. For a nutrient-packed meal, pair pork tenderloin with steamed green beans and a quinoa salad. A recipe like herb-crusted pork medallions with a side of roasted butternut squash provides a delightful mix of flavors and textures while keeping blood sugar levels steady. 4. Filet mignon. Red meat, when consumed in moderation, can be part of a healthy diabetic diet. Lean cuts like filet mignon are lower in saturated fat compared to fattier options, making them a better choice for maintaining heart health and blood sugar control. Filet mignon is also rich in bioavailable iron, which is crucial for preventing anemia and supporting oxygen transport throughout the body. Its high zinc content aids in immune function and cellular repair, while vitamin B12 plays a vital role in nerve health and energy production. These nutrients are particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, who may be at increased risk for nutrient deficiencies. To keep filet mignon diabetes-friendly, focus on healthy cooking methods like grilling, broiling, or pan-searing with minimal added fats. Complement the meal with non-starchy vegetables such as roasted Brussels sprouts, asparagus, or a side of cauliflower mash for added fiber and essential nutrients. Limiting portion sizes to around 3 to 4 ounces per serving ensures you enjoy the benefits of red meat without exceeding recommended fat and calorie intake. Incorporating filet mignon occasionally into your meal plan provides variety and satisfaction while supporting overall health goals. 5. Skinless turkey breast. Skinless turkey breast is another lean protein option ideal for diabetics. Free from saturated fats and low in calories, turkey breast supports weight management and blood sugar regulation. It is rich in niacin and selenium, which play critical roles in energy metabolism and immune function. Additionally, turkey breast contains tryptophan, an amino acid that supports mood and sleep quality, factors that can indirectly influence diabetes management by reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Its high protein content helps to control hunger and maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. When preparing turkey breast, avoid processed options like deli meats, which often contain added sugars and sodium. Instead, opt for home-cooked versions like herb-roasted turkey breast. Roasting it with garlic, rosemary, or thyme adds flavor without increasing caloric or carbohydrate content. Pair it with green beans, zucchini, or a fresh salad for a complete, nutrient-rich meal that promotes stable glucose levels. For added variety, try shredding roasted turkey breast and using it in wraps or low-carb bowls. Choosing the right meats can significantly impact diabetes management by supporting stable blood sugar levels, heart health, and overall wellness. Incorporating lean cuts like chicken and turkey breast, nutrient-dense options like salmon and organ meats, and even small portions of red meat like filet mignon offers a balanced approach to dietary planning. As always, consult with your healthcare provider, before making any significant changes to your diet. With these science-backed recommendations, you can enjoy a variety of delicious, diabetes-friendly meals while maintaining optimal health. Hit the red subscribe button and turn on notifications for more science-backed tips and insights.